Welcome back to Swat&Vee Immigration News. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about a rule that will shield dreamers. Let's get into the video. Biden administration is proposing a new rule that will shield hundreds of thousands of immigrants who came to the United States as young children from deportation. Biden administration on Monday renewed efforts to shield hundreds of thousands of immigrants who came to the United States as young children from deportation, proposing to do so via regulation, the latest maneuver in a long-running drama over the policy legality. The proposed rule attempted to satisfy concerns of federal judge in Houston who ruled in July that the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrival program was illegal. It takes on heightened importance as prospects for legislation have deemed. U.S. District Judge Andrew Han, an appointee of President George W. Bush, said the Obama administration overstepped its authority and did not properly seek feedback when it introduced DACA in 2012. He allowed for renewals to continue but prohibited new enrollment. The Biden administration is appealing. In the meantime, the new rule would solicit public comment to address the issue raised by Han. The Obama administration created DACA via a memo issued by the Homeland Security Secretary Janet Napolitano. It was intended as a stopgap measure until Congress legislated a permanent solution, which never occurred. And because DACA isn't the product of legislation, it falls into a category of policies that can more easily be changed from one administration to the next. President Donald Trump tried to rescind the DACA memo and end the program, but the Supreme Court concluded he did not go about it properly in attempting to shore up the DACA through a formal rule, which is a more rigorous process than the original memo. Though still not legislation, the Biden administration hopes to gain a legal stamp of approval from the court. It seems possible, if not likely, that the Supreme Court will once again be called upon to weigh in unless Congress acts first. Biden Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro called again on Monday for Congress to act swiftly to provide the legal status they need and deserve. He said legislation should be enacted through spending negotiations, a tactic that suffered a potential critical blow this month when the Senate parliamentarian prohibited it. The Biden-Harris administration continues to take action to protect dreamers and recognize their contribution to this country, said Alejandro, using a commonly used term for immigrants who came to the United States with their parents as young children. This notice of proposed rulemaking is an important step to achieve that goal. The Democratic-run House passed legislation earlier this year creating a way for dreamers to become legal permanent residents, but the bill has gone nowhere in the Senate, where Republicans have blocked it and bipartisan talks have stalled. A Senate parliamentarian ruling earlier this month rejected Democrats' efforts another legislation path. They had wanted to include the measure in a broader package of social, environment, and climate change that overcome any Senate filibuster. Stephen Yale, a professor of immigration law practice at Cornell Law School, said the administration proposal carries no major changes and is an effort to bulletproof the existing program from litigation challenges. The 205-page proposal will be published on Tuesday in the Federal Register, triggering a 60-day period for public feedback that ensures it is unlikely to take effect for several months. It adheres to the same criteria, which includes arriving in the country before age 16, continuously residing in the United States since arrival, and being in the country on June 15, 2012. Since 2012, more than 825,000 immigrants have enrolled in DACA. Hopefully, the details and information presented in this video is helpful. Please share the information with family and friends who may need it. You can also help us spread the message by sharing it on all social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!